Hey, it's Jason with CasterDepot. Today we're going to review Colson's Max Efficiency wheels. These are Colson's Max Efficiency wheels. They have been designed to outperform and outlast comparable wheels. Polyurethane is bonded to an aluminum core. The hardness or durometer is 85A. To look at it differently, the tread hardness falls between the hardness of a leather belt and a foam cord. Max Efficiency wheels are available in either maroon or orange treads. The wheel face is round, which helps it roll easily. Max Efficiency wheels are available in 4x2, 5x2, 6x2, 8x2, and 10x2 inch sizes. Max Efficiency wheels are easy rolling, long-lived, quiet, floor protectant, tolerant of intermittent temperatures from -40 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, resistant to chemicals and grease, and resistant to floor debris. Max Efficiency wheels offer best-in-class durability and ergonomics. Depending on size, Max Efficiency wheels can support up to 2,000 pounds per wheel. Max Efficiency wheels feature precision ball bearings with top hat spacers. CasterDepot has been the expert in casters and wheels since 1980. If you have any questions about Colson's Max Efficiency wheels, or if you are interested in purchasing, we are only a call, click, or visit away.